Hey everyone, welcome to Adishal's Art and welcome to this brand new video where I am super excited to share with you the new art supplies that I got. So yes, this is going to be a fun art supplies haul and let's get started with that. But before we get started with that, a little introduction about myself. Just in case you don't know me, my name is Shilpa Lalit and I am also known as Adishal's Art on the internet. And on this channel, I mostly bring for you all acrylic painting videos, speed painting, tutorials and my studio chat series where I share advice on various topics related to art, and I also share a lot of paintings that I do with my own brand of brushes called Adishal's Art Brushes, which you've not checked out yet. I will put the India and international links in the bio so that you can check out Adishal's Art Brushes as well. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more fun art related videos with not only acrylics but with a lot more mediums that I am excited to experiment with and that I have just bought that I'm going to share with you. So I am mainly an acrylic painting artist and I mostly use just acrylics on canvas pads, sketchbooks, paper and all that stuff. And you know, when I buy acrylics, they are like such big tubes and they last really long, like year, 1.5 years, 2 years, like that. So that's why I really don't have to shop a lot for art supplies. But this time, you know, I really wanted to try out so many new things that are there in the market. So the entire shopping that you will see over here with me is mostly done through the local stores in various cities in India. So I personally buy these from stores, but they are also available in Amazon. So the store links that I visit and the Amazon links, both I will put in the bio so that you can just check out these supplies and get for yourself as well if you like. So before I share with you my shopping and what I bought, I wanted to do a little fun giveaway in this video. So over here I have these Adishal's Art canvas pads. So canvas pads are like sketchbooks but made out of canvas. So this is the 8x10 canvas pad and this is the 10x12 canvas pad, and these are amazing for acrylic paints, oil paints and practicing your basics, making small paintings, big paintings, whatever you want. They are ready to use, ready to paint on. You don't have to prime or prep the canvas, and they are very easy to store as well. So when you're done with the painting, just like a sketchbook, you close it and just keep it away and it'll be all good. But if your painting turns out good, you can just tear off that canvas from the canvas pad and just get it framed. So it's so easy to store as well. And I will be choosing two winners. One of them will win the 10x12 canvas pad and the other one will win the 8x10 canvas pad. And how you can win this canvas pad, I will share that with you at the end of this video. So finally, without taking any more of your time, let's get started and let's look at all the art supplies that I got. So first, there are these two paper packs from Anupam. This is the 400 GSM paper pack and it says special acrylic painting paper. So I wanted to try this out for my acrylic paints because it's quite thick, 400 GSM as well, and it says it's good for acrylic paint. And then I got this 200 GSM watercolor paper. Once again, it says professional watercolor paper. So once again, this is also from Anupam. And after this, I also wanted to try the khadi paper. So I got some loose khadi paper sheets. They have such rough edges over here. And then I got this fountain pen sketchbook from Ayush Paper. I wanted to try this as well and I already tried as well. So this is by Ayush Paper. The link to the Ayush Paper as well I will put in the bio. And last but not least, I got this grey sketchbook from Brustro Creative Hand Art Material. So I have always wanted a grey sketchbook, so I thought why not, I'll just try this Brustro one. So I got this in the A4 size. Now after all the paper that I got, I also got some new acrylic paints that I wanted to try from Liquitex Basics. Recently I have been obsessed with Liquitex Basics paints. So first I have this Persian blue by Liquitex Basics. And then I got this white gesso from Liquitex Basics, and this I use mostly as alternate to white paint in my painting. So I don't use white acrylic paint. Instead of white acrylic paint, I use Liquitex white gesso because I find it to be a lot more pigmented and a lot more like creamier and easy to blend, and I'm literally always running out of that. And then I got this beautiful Pyro red, which I have already started using, so you will be able to see some marks on that. And then I also wanted to try this orange. So this is the cadmium orange hue, and then I have this cadmium yellow, and this also I've already used, and this is a beautiful color, highly pigmented, and I love how the effect turns out using this. This is the light blue, and then I got this medium magenta as well. So these are all the basics of the papers, and now I want to share the most exciting part, because these are the things that I haven't tried and I really wanted to try, and I want to just play around with new mediums. So these are the new things that I got. So first of all, I wanted to experiment with some good quality gouache that is available in the market. So I bought 2 varieties of gouache to compare, what is the big deal about, like what is the difference between this cheaper gouache and medium range gouache or the expensive gouache. So I already had a cheaper version of gouache, some gouache that I had bought from outside India for very cheap, and I had already used that. So I was like, if gouache is available so cheap as well, then what is such a big deal about all the expensive versions? So to try and find the difference, I invested in some tubes of these Daler & Rowney Aquafine gouache. So it was a huge set of 12. I've thrown away the box, so that's why I'm just showing you this. These are the browns and the blues, and these are all the bright colors, the blue, pink, red, yellow, and everything that you can see. So this Daler & Rowney gouache was the mid-range. It was not cheap, but it was still expensive. But I thought I will try something even more expensive to just draw that comparison, that what is the big deal about the expensive paints and the less expensive paints. So that made me invest in these Winsor & Newton designer gouache tubes, the cobalt turquoise and the pink, as you can see. And this turquoise color was 1100 rupees just for one tube, and this over here pink was 600 rupees just for one tube. So definitely a huge up in the price range from the Daler & Rowney, and I will do a comparison video as well for you guys. If you like, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely do that comparison video. I am myself so curious to know what is the big deal about the cheap and the mid-range and the high-range gouache paints. And now that we are talking about the gouache, I was also curious to try out acrylic gouache as well, because as you know, I am mostly an acrylic painting artist, and gouache is a matte medium while acrylics have a little bit of shine to them. So I just wanted to see what or where the acrylic gouache stands. Like, will it be matte like gouache, or will it have a good shine like acrylics? So I wanted to check out all these things that I was curious about. So that's when I invested in this Liquitex acrylic gouache. I just invested in a set of 6 because I wanted to try out first before investing in some bigger packs. And this set of 6 was also not very cheap. This was 2400 Indian rupees. So yeah, we can do this comparison as well, the difference between gouache and acrylic gouache, because as you know, my first love is acrylics. So it'll be good to know what's the big deal about gouache and acrylic gouache, and how are they different, and the comparison between acrylics and acrylic gouache, and what exactly is the difference there as well. So yeah, a lot of stuff coming up. If you're excited to know all this, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely bring such videos for you as soon as possible. Okay, so next thing related to acrylics that I wanted to try out and I was super curious about were the acrylic inks. So once again, I invested in these acrylic inks by Liquitex, and this is also a set of 6. I love using inks. I love doing ink drawings, and I was anyways going to buy some regular inks, but then I thought, why not try acrylic inks, since I've never tried acrylic inks, and it'll be fun to see the difference between acrylic inks, acrylic gouache, and main acrylics. So yep, that is why I bought this. This one was for 2700 Indian rupees. And then from the store that I bought all this from, they even sent me this free product, which is so much fun. This is the Neon and Glow acrylic paints. Once again, Neon and Glow acrylic paints also I have never ever tried, and it'll be so exciting to see how their consistency is on the paper or on the canvas, because you know, I am assuming in my head that they will be a little translucent. So this is just my assumption. I've never used these, so I will use these as well for the first time, and I will definitely share with you what I felt about them and are they useful enough. Now just the last two things left. So the first of the last two things are these White Nights watercolor. Because I am not a watercolor artist, I really did not want to spend money and invest on expensive watercolor paints. I don't mind investing in expensive acrylics, but watercolor paints, I just dabble in something that is reasonable. So I had a big coupon. I had 1,000 rupees coupon to spend on a store, so I used that coupon to buy this White Night watercolor set, and it has all these lovely colors, and its actual price is 2150, and because I had that 1,000 rupees coupon, I just got it for 1150. Yep, lucky me. And last but not the least is one of my very expensive purchase, and when it comes to expensive, very expensive products, I really give it a thought that for a long time. So for this as well, I had been thinking for a long time that if I should buy or not. But finally my birthday came, and my husband asked me that, you know, what do you want for your birthday? And I was like, I want this. Yes, I got this for my birthday then from my husband, and those are these Derwent Inktense colored pencils. Yay! I'll just open the box and show you all the amazing colors that are there. Check this out. So these also I haven't tried yet, but I am super excited to try these with you guys in a video. If you would like to check out, you know, my reaction when I try these for the very first time, and are they worth all the money that they charge. So I guess this was I don't remember the MRP, but I got it at 20% off sale. Big sale was going on at a store, so I bought it from there, and was a gift from my husband. So yeah, that's why probably I don't remember the MRP. But anyways, these were all things that I recently bought, and I'm excited like a child to try out all these. It was like such a big deal to control myself till I make this video, so that I don't try all this and open all this before I show you all what I bought. But finally that video is done, and I am excited that this is done, because I'll be able to try all this now. And whenever I'm trying all this and comparing things, I will definitely be sharing everything on the Instagram, because I share every little thing about art that I do on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, check it out over here. With that being said, thank you so much for sticking with me till here. Now to win the giveaway of these canvas pad by Artichels Art, which are super useful for acrylic painting and oil painting, all you have to do is let me know in the comments below that which was your favorite product that you would like to try out of everything that I recently purchased, and share this video in the stories of your Instagram, tagging me at Artichels. You have to be subscribed to this channel to be able to enter the giveaway, so don't forget to subscribe. Leave the comment that which was your favorite art supply that you would like to try as well, and share this video on your Instagram stories, and I'll be sharing the winners of this giveaway on my Instagram stories, so keep an eye over there for the results. So that is all for today's video, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun checking out all these things for me. For everything, I will put the link in the bio, and if you have any questions, leave that in the comments below, or just DM me on Instagram and I will make sure to get back. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos related. So for more fun videos related to art, and so with that being said, recently I have been obsessed with Liquitex and I intend to continue making a lot, and I intend to continue making a lot of new art. Also intend to continue making